we have a moose in the yard. Oh, Buddy. He's over on this side, silly. Come on, over here. We can see him from our pool room, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Look out on a snowy day and see the moose and the snow. Very cool indeed. Buddy, he's right here, boy. Buddy. Oh, we love it. Look, buddy, you want to play. You do. Oh, gosh. Is that little tail going, buddy? Oh, here comes Mama. Whoa. Wow, bud. Here comes Mama. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. You're so ferocious. Oh, gosh. I love Buddy's little tail is just going a mile a minute. Holy mackerel! Holy mackerel! Wow! Yeah! Aw, Buddy, wasn't that fun? Yeah. He can't get through that little gate up there, little fence. He'll figure it out. We have a huge meadow over on the side of us that we own. It's so beautiful. Okay, that's all the fun you get today, buddy. Okay. Until the next time, we'll be waiting. Say bye, bud.